Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if the lighting is off. Like, I'm trying to look through my little camera thing, flip thing, but I cannot see because I'm blind. Anyways, today's video is actually going to be a quick little video. As you can see, I am sitting in my room right now because I did not feel like filming downstairs in my makeup room. So welcome to my bedroom. I wanted to share with you guys the products that I've been using for my hair. I've kind of been on a curly hair journey not really, because I still straighten my hair. I still put heat on my hair. I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair to look like this. You guys seem to really like it when I wear it like that, so thank you guys for the support. Also, I feel like I personally like my hair so much more now that I know how to take care of it, now that it's long. I'm sad that it's not as curly as it used to be, but I can still work this. I can make it work, and I like it. It's okay. So with that said, I'm going to share with you guys tips that I like to take on my hair to make it look healthy and curly and pretty and not so poofy and frizzy, because right now, like, I wouldn't say there's zero, but there's very minimal amounts of frizz, which is the one thing that I struggled with in high school, because I used to leave my hair curly and I hated it because my hair would get so frizzy. But again, it's just using the right products. So we're gonna jump right into this curly hair routine, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is what my hair looks like right before I wash it. This is not obviously my natural hair. This is waves from a few days before. So the first thing we're going to do is jump in the shower. So after I get out of the shower, I dry myself. Well, duh. After I get out of the shower, I go right into my itty bitty little bathroom. This is where I keep everything, all of my hair products. This is where it's at. First, we're going to deep moisturize. I'm going to take the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. This is for dry and damaged hair. This is amazing to bring moisture back into my hair because I do straighten it, put heat on it, I curl it, I straighten it, I do all these things. I need to make sure that my hair is super moisturized because it's obviously lacking moisture from the heat. So I lather my hair, you guys. I lather my hair with this mask. I do like to start off by the ends because obviously this is the part where it's mostly dry, and I do take a very generous amount and I just put it all over my hair. This is right after I get out of the shower, so my hair is pretty much wet, and then I'll take a little bit more and I'll rub it through like the roots of my hair, because curly hair tends to be a little bit more on the dry side because you have kinks and curls and twists. The natural oils of your hair don't reach the end. So after that, we're going to leave the mask on for about 20 or 30 minutes. I have been using this heat cap that I discovered maybe like 2 months ago. It comes with this plastic cap that I look like a freaking lunch lady. I could not stop laughing when I look at myself, but I'm going to take this as a heat cap. It is so cute. As you can see from the inside, it has this material. I don't know what it is, but it does have flaxseed oils in it, and flaxseed oils help to retain like the heat. So what you want to do is you want to place it in your microwave twice, once upside and then the other way upside down, about 45 seconds each, and it's going to be a little bit hot, not too hot, but it'll be hot enough to put it on your head. And oh my god, I felt like a mushroom when I was putting it on my head. So you just want to put that on top of your cap, and again, you just want to leave this on for about 20 or 30 minutes. Depends how much time you have. The longer you leave it, the better. I left this for about 20 minutes, and again, this is just going to really penetrate deep into your hair, the follicles, once you apply a heat mask or a heat cap. Now that you've done that, so you want to go ahead, obviously remove your cap, and I like to reuse my stuff. I just kind of like clean it because, yeah, why not? And you do get a little bit hot, so just a warning. Once I take that off, I just go back into my sink and I will rinse out my hair. Once that is done, I'm going to use my Diva Towel This one is perfect for curly hair. If you guys have curly hair like me, you need a towel like this. The usual or the ordinary towels, those create tons of frizz because they create too much friction for the hair. So I'm just going to flip my hair and give it a good little scrunch. Make sure that it's not like soaking wet, but it's still pretty much wet, if that makes sense. First, I'm going to take my Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protecting Cream. I like to obviously protect my hair because I am going to use a diffuser either way, and this kind of removes the frizz, but it also protects my hair against any heat that I'm going to put on it later on. Again, I do use a generous amount, and I just apply that towards the ends as well as the beginning of the hair, and then I will like just kind of like scrunch it up a little bit to distribute everything into the hair. And again, I'm just applying a little bit more to the other side of my hair. And I was watching TV. I always watch TV, and can you guys guess what I was watching? Yes, crime shows. Now, for curly hair, I like to take extra steps. First is to protect your hair, then you want to add texture and volume. This is the DevaCurl Wave Maker Touchable Textured. It's like a cream. This is the best thing. As you can see, I was like almost running out. Sorry, my nose is like a little bit stuffy. But I'm going to take that and just scrunch it all over the hair. This is a lightweight cream. It's not going to weigh down your hair, and it adds so much volume to your hair, you guys. Oh my god, this is the best cream I've ever used. And I like that it doesn't weigh down the hair. It doesn't leave it greasy. It just leaves it soft, touchable, and manageable. So you can really just leave it as is and just go on about your day. And it smells so good, which is definitely a winner. But I like to leave my hair a little bit more crunchy because I don't wash my hair as often. I wash it about twice a week. So what I like to do before I go in with a mousse to give that extra crunch is I'll take my towel, because sometimes your hands can create a little bit of frizz, and I'll just scrunch up my hair and hold it for a few seconds just to create a little bit more bouncy curls, since my curls are not as defined as they used to be. This mousse, oh my god, you guys need it. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Mousse. I love this. It doesn't give your hair too much crunch, but if you add too much, you can definitely make it a little bit harder. So be generous, but not too generous. If you have long hair like me, I would definitely suggest to go a little bit more heavy hand. Again, I just pretty much apply my mousse all over my hair, mainly concentrating it on like the half of my hair because that's where I want the most hold, and I'll just run it through my roots as well so I can stay a little bit crunchy. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it works. I'm gonna take my Revlon diffuser, and as you can see, this has the diffuser side where you can curl your hair. I like to turn it into the hot side first on high. What we're going to do is we're not going to start crunching the hair. We're going to start hovering the blow dryer all over the hair at the roots. This is going to create, again, that like cast on your hair to start crunching it up a little bit to hold the hair, to hold the curls a little bit more and avoid frizz. This can definitely be a little bit time consuming, but for me, I've seen such a difference in my curls. Once I've hovered that for about maybe 5 minutes and I feel my roots a little bit dry, I will start crunching my hair. And I don't do it too much because I don't want a lot of shrinkage on my hair. It's more of a personal preference, but I like my hair to look a little bit curly with some length. So I've dried it mostly all, but it's still a little bit wet. So I'm going to apply my DevaCurl High Shine. This is going to give a little bit of shine to the curls so they don't look so dry. And I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks after I've completely air dried it. So this is what my hair looks like before it's completely dry. It looks healthy, it looks shiny, the curls look bouncy, they look cute, they look a little bit curly but not too much, which I love. And then you just want to style it however you want. But after a few hours of my hair being completely dry, this is what it looks like. I love my hair so much now. I really hope you guys enjoyed this curly hair routine. I love you guys so much. Leave me your comments and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!